Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook delicious fettuccine alfredo. First, gather your essential ingredients for this simple yet rich dish. You will need 1 pound of fettuccine pasta, along with 1 stick of unsalted butter, which is about 1/2 cup. Make sure to have 1 cup of heavy cream and a generous 1 1/2 cups of freshly grated Parmesan cheese. A pinch of salt and fresh black pepper will complete your ingredient list perfectly. Begin by bringing 4 quarts of water to a vigorous, rolling boil in a large pot. Add 1 full tablespoon of salt to the water, which helps season the pasta from within. Cook your fettuccine pasta until it is perfectly al dente, usually for 10 to 12 minutes, following the package instructions. Remember to reserve 1 cup of that starchy pasta water before draining the noodles completely. It is crucial for our sauce. Now, let's begin crafting our rich Alfredo sauce. Melt 1 stick of unsalted butter in a spacious skillet over a gentle medium-low heat. Once melted, pour in the full cup of heavy cream, allowing it to warm slowly without boiling. Keep stirring continuously for about 3 minutes, ensuring the mixture becomes beautifully warm and ever so slightly thickened, preparing it for the next delicious step. Carefully remove your skillet from the heat. This prevents the cheese from clumping. Gradually incorporate the 1 1/2 cups of grated Parmesan cheese, stirring constantly until it melts smoothly into the cream. Slowly add 1/4 to 1/2 cup of that reserved pasta water, helping to emulsify the sauce to a perfect, glossy consistency. Toss the hot, drained fettuccine directly into the sauce, coating every strand. Finish by seasoning with fresh black pepper and a little extra salt if it needs it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.